Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check battery temperature on VIVO V29 Lite. To change the battery temperature you can download an app from Play Store, so let's go to Play Store, then go to Search tab and search for an app named Ampere. Then click on Install next to this blue app with A on it. And after a short while you can click on Open. Then click on Consent and OK, and here you can see your battery temperature here, as well as other data about your battery. And if you want to change the unit of the temperature, click on Settings in top right corner, then Basic Settings, then click on this option once. You can see it changes from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Then you can go back twice and you can see that temperature is now in Fahrenheit. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.